Good morning, everyone. I'm Candace from Futures Beginners. Look, we have a beautiful A trade setting up as I take you from zero to a hero. So here we continue to have the NQ short. Right here at the dots is where I want you guys to get the best entry. No matter what happens to NQ, he's always going to give you money at the dots. And this is where I want to show you in this training how important the dots are. He's right at PP, which is the pivot point, and just falling out of bed, like just a complete crash. And I also have the ES short at the same time. This is multiple market convergence. Let me show you over here. The Russell is coming down also, right? The Russell is falling out just as fast as he can. I'm going to take the Russell down also right at the dot. Right, here comes right at the dots. And I've got to manage him here. Let me get, here he goes. Look at this on the NQ, just falling out of bed. All you need in order to carry two contracts on the NQ is $500 per contract plus a cushion. You've just made more than 100% on your trading account. Let me show you. I have the Russell at the same time coming down. I have the ES at the same time coming down. When they trade together, they're just magnificent. Here we go. Here we go. Just reversing like unbelievable. Let me show you here. That's the Russell. Here it is on the NQ. I'm going to bring it down to here and take my profit there. There we go. And now on the ES, same thing. I'm bringing it over here so that I don't lose this trade. Here he goes right here. Let's take him out right there. All right, 17, 18, 25. Oh my heavens. Okay, let's look at this right here. Wow, 365 ticks. And let me bring this over here. 4.5 minutes. Now this is an incredible market. It's just falling out of bed like crazy today because of the coronavirus. Doesn't happen like this all the time, but this is incredible for you to watch. Let me see what's happening here. Now we have 365 ticks. We don't want to give that back. Let's just watch and see if there's another A trade. A trade is right at the dots. All right, let's just watch this little Russell here. Same exact thing. Top of a down channel. What is an A trade? Failure of price action at support or resistance in the direction of the trend or the counter trend. Here they have just falling out of bed like crazy. This little Russell's coming all the way down to the previous low of day of 425 ticks away on two contracts. This is magnificent for you to watch. Just magnificent. Let's just let him go. Oh, this little guy's there. All these markets are just dropping out like crazy. Huge volumes. We almost have 100%. There you go, 100% on this trade. You're watching it firsthand what the dots are so important. The dots are thrown when there's capitulation. One side just gives up, and so the sellers just dump it, and the buyers are running to the gate to sell everything. So, we are specialists. We teach you how to sell. Nobody knows how to sell. We're consumers. We buy, 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 buy. But our specialty is selling A trades, the A trade explosion. And that's what this training is about. I'm going to continue it in the next video. Stay tuned. Here we go. I'm going to let this puppy go all the way down here and see what the return will be on this one. Almost unbelievable. All right, the markets are just start tanking, and you're watching this. I'm not going to close this trade out because once you close the trade out, then you've passed the dots and you can't get back in again. It's a continuation. So I'm going to follow him up on my 610 chart, which is my next guy here. Let me show you what he looks like on the 610 chart. I'll stretch him out here. 610 is a little bit slower than the 2-bar. The 2-bar, you can't keep him on the page. Now, he's past this up channel on the 610. Let's see what happens. Let's trap him down here. 15 minutes, those are 15 minutes going down. You're going to bring him up here and trap him so we don't lose him here.
ES reversal.
There you go. All right, so they're popping now. 5,600, 567 ticks in 7.5 minutes. That's what happens in this massive price action. Doesn't happen every day, but this is like the Brexit, or this is like the election. It's just massive price action. You just have to be here. I'm Candace signing out for Futures Beginners. Come on over here and get me, and I'm going to teach you how to do these beautiful day trading strategies with these beautiful indicators that we have. I'm Candace signing out, and I'll see you when you get here. Bye for now. So thank you so much for being with me today. Now, before you guys go, I want you to go over and sign up for the webinar right now. Don't forget that. This is a free training webinar for 1 hour of all teaching, and we'll have an open mic Q&A, meaning bring your microphones and ask me any question that you want on the open mics if you want to, or you can chat, write it in, whatever. But you'll be able to get your questions answered and speak to me directly. So this is wonderful. I'm so glad you guys were with me today. I'm Candace signing out for Futures Beginners, and I'll see you when you get here. Bye for now.